Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to pick me up. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mind now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mind now. Yeah.
Yo, yeah, that. I hear some cool. Finger them about me. I put salt on it. So, you see quality? Good. Say hi to the camera.
Hi. It's snowing. A lot.
We'll leave.
Okay, here comes.
Snow angel. Oh.
That's a good story.
Where is it? Oh, I see it. See it, man. Let's go.
We're going inside.
You don't want to go inside yet?
Yeah.
Keep on falling.
You good?
Yeah. I just keep on falling. You're done, Terrence?
Yeah.
Put salt on it again so you can melt the snow. For thumbnail. That's a good thumbnail. Wait, one more? I'll screenshot it, it's fine. See, my nose is freezing.
Your nose has ice all You got it?
Yeah, I got it. There, where you in? Cool. To make the black people, bro. God, man, yeah, that got fire. Cool. I'll edit the video later. I want to throw the snow on the cameraman. How deep is it?
Huh? It should be like...
Show the foot.
out easily.
Yeah. Take a picture. Take another one.
Okay.
Okay. I gotta tell, you know what name this video say? I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna say, travel with me to Russia. I'm gonna lie, I'm gonna quick way. I'm
Oh!
gonna say travel with me to Russia.
Russia has a lot of snow. It's like up to the houses.
Yeah. You cold?
Yeah.